Right. So this is a Toshiba Tecra R840, and I'm going to replace the keyboard, which on this model is very simple. His replacement keyboard, it has on the back just one screw, and the screw hole in the back of the machine has a little label KB alongside it, and it's just there. So we'll whip that screw out. It. Also, of course, take the battery out before proceeding any further. There's a decorative strip along the back there, which needs to be lifted out with a fingernail or suitable, not too sharp prizing tool, just like that. And the keyboard then snaps out like so. Lift out carefully so as not to tug the cable, and the cable itself just clips in there. If I can see it without getting in my own light, it just clips in there with a little brown bracket that you. Now here we have the cable connector, and that brown bar just pushes back like so, up there and up there. Like that, and the cable just slides out. So there's the connector and the replacement cable. So that's how it works. It's in, out. Now, some models of Toshiba, this cable disappears underneath the circuit boards, and then apparently you have to take the entire works apart from the other side to get to it. Fortunately, this one isn't like that. Reassembly, the cable pushes back into the slots. I've done that already. That brown bracket just pushes this way to lock it with fingernail pressure, and then the keyboard just snaps into place, clicks into place. That pretty much, and the decorative bezel, whatever it is, just clips in like that. and the one screw screws it.